Hello guys, today we'll be learning about how to draw a circle with the AutoCAD software. There are six different ways to draw a circle. We have 1. The center radius method, 2. The center diameter method, 3. 2 points method, 4. 3 points method, 5. Tangent radius method, and then lastly we have the tangent method. Because the center radius is the most used one, let's start with that one. Mind you, this is the default option for drawing a circle. Start the circle command by using one of the following. Type C and press enter or spacebar. So you type C, then you press enter, either enter or spacebar. As you can see here, C is the shortcut for circle. Then you press enter or spacebar to activate the command. And then the other way of starting the command is by going to the draw panel here, and then as you can see here, this is the symbol for circle in the draw panel. You click it, you left click on it, then the circle command is activated. So let's start with the first method. As I said, the first method is the center radius method. To go on with that, you specify your center. So let's say this space is my center, or this is where I want to place my center. I specify by left clicking and then moving. The second procedure is you move it to wherever you want it to be. And mind you, moving the mouse cursor at this point means you are moving it according to its radius. So you can move it to any radius you want, then you left click, or you specify the radius by keying the radius. So let's say my radius is 3000. You type your 3000, then spacebar or enter. So now this circle here has a radius of 3000. Now the second method is the center diameter method. That one too, you activate your circle through the same procedure, whether by typing C or going to the draw panel to choose your to click on the circle command. So when you activate it, you specify your center as you did with the first one. So let's choose this position, or let me say this area is the center that I want to use as I want to use for my circle. So you left click your center, then you type D as the shortcut, or you come to the command line, then you click on this shortcut diameter here. So either typing D or clicking on the diameter here, either way is accepted. You type D, then you press spacebar. Now you specify your diameter. The first one was the radius, this one is diameter. So you specify your diameter by typing, let's say for the first one the radius was 3000, so 3000 times 2 will give you 6000. So let's say the diameter for this one too is 6000. You type your diameter, then you press enter or spacebar. That's it. Third method for drawing the circle is the 2 points method. For the 2 points method, you select the 2 points of option using the shortcut menu. So you activate your circle, then in the shortcut menu, that is in the command line, you can see 2p here. This means 2 points, and then you can type 2p. Either you choose it from here, you click it on this one, or you type 2p, enter. Right, and as you can see from the command line, it says specify first end point of circle's diameter. So the first end point, let me choose this place by left clicking. So as you can see, the second end point, as I'm moving the mouse cursor, you can see the second end point also increasing the diameter of the circle, right? So let's say the second endpoint, I want it to be here. I specify it, then that's all. Let's move on to the fourth method is the 3 points method. For the 3 points method, you again activate your circle command, then you type 3p or you click on the 3p in the shortcut menu here. So either you type 3p or you click on this one, 3p spacebar or enter to activate the fourth option. Then you can see here 3p, specify first point of circle. You specify your first point by left clicking at the point that you want. Now specify second point on circle. You specify the second point, then the last point, specify third point on, as you can see here, specify third point on circle. Then you specify your third point, you left click, then that's all. So we move on to the fifth option, which is the tangent radius method. For that one, we would have to get an object to serve as our tangent for the circle. So let's draw two perpendicular lines. All right. So these lines will serve as our tangents. So this one too, you activate your circle command, then you type T to get you the tangent option. Now you choose your first tangent on the first object or the first line. You click on it, left click, then you can see here specify points on object for second tangent of circle. So let's specify our second tangent on this line. Now we type our radius. Let's say our radius is 6,000. Type your 6,000, then you press enter or spacebar. So you can see we have a circle here which makes these two lines tangents. And as you can see, where we clicked as we want it to be the tangent, that is where we have the tangents. Okay, so let's move on to the final method for drawing a circle, which is the tangent method. Okay, for this one too, we would have to get an object that will serve as tangents, and as the name implies, it has 3 tangents, meaning we would have to get 3 objects or 3 lines to serve as the tangents. So let's draw 3 lines for this one. All right, so this is our 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Then you activate your circle command. For this one, you wouldn't get it at the command line. So what you do is you go to the draw panel, then on the circle command, you click on the drop down arrow. Then you can see the last option is circle, tangent. So we choose this last option, which is the one that we want. When you look at the command line here, you can see specify first point on circle. So first point on circle, that means the first tangent. Let's click here as our tangent. Then you choose the second tangent on this specific line. Then the last tangent on this specific line too. So as you can see, we have our circle in this 3 objects, making this 3 lines as the tangents. Alright, so these are the 6 ways of drawing a circle. Thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe so that you can leave your comments or any suggestions at the comment section. Thank you again.